Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electric spin scrub brush. This is going to be great for any sort of cleaning. I'm going to use it to clean up my bathroom, but be great for toilets and sinks and showers and all the floors even, because it's got such a variety of different heads that you can use for this. So inside the box, you actually have several different detachable heads that all just stick on this one base. So it makes it super simple to use. And I will bring you in here and take a good look at all of these. You have your extendable handle, so if you wanted to use this further away without reaching down, this is a really nice addition for that. And they just screw right into the end of the scrub brush. Now your scrub brush, save the best for last here, is this nice handheld thing that you can use either handheld, or you can just add in these attachments that, as you can see, they go in and out, and then they will just lock into place whenever you decide that's the length you want it, and it just screws right in here. So we will get that screwed in so you can see it, and then we'll add in one of these heads. As I bring you in close, you just have that, and then you can lock it into place. So here's a close look of all of the brush heads. This is a nice scouring pad to get up some really hard surfaces. You've got your really nice little dusting cloth on here, sponge, more of like a Windex sort of thing. And these all just stick onto this one brush. So they all just Velcro on and then just easily come off to be able to transfer out. And then we looked at all these as well. And these are really nice because it gets into small crevices. So it's just 3 extra little brushes that you can be able to get into areas like this that you could not reach with a lot of other surfaces. So that is a really nice little addition that they have included in this pack. Now to use this can actually go from 9.8 inches all the way out to 55 inches when you add in all of these attachments. So that would be great for using it on the floor. And it is IPX7 water rated, so if you did get it wet, there's no worries there. It can be wet. You do have a rechargeable cord right there that just plugs right in, and then it just silicones shut to keep that water out. And then to turn it on, you just press and hold on the power button for 2 seconds, and it just automatically turns it on to a speed. And then you've got your low speed and your high speed. So we're gonna turn that off. And I'm gonna start with this brush, and all you've got to do is just line up the notches. Simple as that. Super easy to use, so let's put it to the test. This is a 30-watt power with a 2500 milliamp hour battery. So that'll run at about 100 minutes on the full time. As you can see, it can get wet, and that is perfectly fine. And it is just running through, getting all that stuff up. Getting it all cleaned up real nice. I do like these little curves here, so you can actually get back behind all these little areas with this tool. Get in the little crevices. And then to change it out, it's just simply twist, pull that off. Not hard at all. And then I'm going to use my small tool and get that lined up and pushed on for the next little surface. Like I said, super easy to use. I love how versatile this is to be able to clean off so many different surfaces. And it just glides right across. It gets it cleaned up real easy. And it takes away all that scrub work and the fatigue out of your hands that you don't have to do it. And let this do the work for you. This is a great little tool to let you work smarter, not harder.